Greetings. This was to have been day 6 of my Gillian Michaels 30-day shred, and then a strange thing happened. So I decided that I was going to give myself a light day, because last night when I was working out, something went pop and then my knee started hurting, and it hasn't stopped hurting since, which I figure is a bad thing, so you should take it easy on the knee. Plus I was grumpy, and you know when you're grumpy you don't really want to work out and them type of stuff. You just want to curl up and like nyam ice cream, and then tomorrow you feel the guilt but or you curl up and nyam the ice cream instead of work out, which plunges you into a cycle of eating your feelings, and then 6 months later you gain 15 pounds and don't understand how, just magically anyway. So I was going to do that, start my cycle, that my downward spiral, and then I went online and found something called Gillian Michaels Banish Fat Boost Metabolism. No, I cannot promise you that this is the actual name of the thing. This is something I find on YouTube. The site is called Get Fit Bitch. It is the ghetto guide to getting healthy. Sometimes you have the something them that you order on the DVD, and sometimes you have the something them that you find online. It might be the name of it, it might not be the name of it, I don't know. The something, it's about a woman doing Russian voiceovers. So at this point I'm not really clear what Gillian is saying, because woman is talking louder than Gillian, but me not really listen to any of them. Anyway, I turn on my playlist and I continue with my life, right? So I did this thing. This thing was basically 1 hour of cardio. Okay, now in the title of this thing I promised to tell you the secret to fitness. There's no secret to fitness. It is the same exercise moves over and over that people are putting together differently, and it's just for you to choose who put it together the way that you like it. Because Sean T have mountain no, him have switch kicks, him call it switch kicks, she call it something like across the world sprints or something like that. Like they all have the same moves over and over, because I guess really if you want your body to do certain things you have to put it in certain positions and bend it up in certain ways. So there's actually no secret to this thing. Like no DVD is going to give you anything that another one can't in terms of the moves that your body is going to have to do. Like you'll never actually get a DVD where you won't have to work your body. What can happen is they can combine maybe the cardio and the strength and something differently that will get more results for you. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The secret to fitness ain't no secret whatsoever. You just choose who is cute and which one of the workout that you feel say your body up to, and just go ahead and do that. Me personally, I'm an insanity girl. Insanity is a challenge for me. It is my I've made it work out. When I know that I can make it through the entire thing of insanity, I know some make it. But in the meantime, I will do other things. Insanity, I'm a peak though. I just say a book for me. But she does some of the same thing by him though. And you know, it's easier doing them with her because it's slower and she doesn't combine as many moves at the same time. So if you want something that's more slow, then she's for you. If you really just want to walk and feel like you're really a kill out the thing, then go ahead and do the insanity. The hunger continues. Remember I was telling you about the hunger. It is continuing. Like right now, I'm raw. And the stew peas and the rice up on the table, and you and I both know that at 10:45 I don't need to be eating any type of stew peas and rice, but there's no pineapple left to snack on. I already had some yogurt for the day. I don't want any more. I really don't want to see another nut or any other type of like fruit, berry, seed, no other type of anything like that. I really want to eat the stew peas. But what is the point of sweating out to try for 1 hour and then go sit down and go damn stew peas? I mean spinners in there, you know. Spinners in there, you know, the real type of stew peas, you know. Pray for me. If you don't pray, send well wishes, because right now I need some assistance. Okay, this 30-day, this banish fat boost metabolism thing, yeah, you can do it. I'm putting the link down here, so because yeah, they're online, the Russian people them bandule the thing and put it up proper. Do it if you want to do it. Okay, do your exercises and I will see you tomorrow, because apparently now I'm a fitness freak. Bye bye.